Jose from Kalayag Childcare and Youth Community Center. We are based here dito sa Hawk Mountain. Ang Kalayag is an NGO that works with indigenous people. Ang aming vision is mga indigenous people involved in community transformation. This was started in 2009 with the philosophy na ang philosophy is properly trained, given the education, the discipline. The locals or the indigenous peoples themselves are the most effective in addressing yung poverty issues in their own communities. We have may mga different mga projects kami, no? One of which is yung tawag namin Student Assistance Project, na which nag-sponsor kami ng mga bata through high school and university, college, other technical training. Then we have also a program tawag ng Pugoy Nuooy sa Kabukiran. What we do is we itong program to addresses yung health issues ng mga communities. Currently meron kaming 200 families that is involved na iba-ibang projects, no? In one is yung prevention ng teenage pregnancies, tawag namin EP3. Then we have programs for pregnant mothers and also yung mga toddlers. Then we have with this program, integrate namin yung tawag na faith gardening. Meron kaming food always in the home. It's a gardening technology that assures a family of fresh vegetables the whole year round. Meron din kami mga projects on water system. Currently, we build a water system sa Malikungkung na for how many years walang tubig doon, but using yung solar pumps. And currently, we are building a training center there na magiging TESDA accredited school siya, community-based, that would train yung mga out-of-school youth in mga technical training such as carpentry, scaffolding, masonry, and other mga small machines na skills. And also we will train them in as first responders in partnership with Central 911 or yung ating Davao City Risk Reduction Management Office. We will be training yung mga out-of-school youth na ito to become first responders in times of calamities and disaster. Ang tawag namin yung IPEACE program, no? Yung Indigenous Peoples Emergency Action Concerning the Environment. Hindi lang siya emergency response, kundi disaster mitigation. Hindi disaster response, kundi disaster mitigation. Meron kaming programs na we would like to introduce. Tawag namin SALT, Sloping Agricultural Land Technology, which would prevent mga landslides. And we have projects that would magkaroon ng mga rain catchment sa mga remote villages, that instead of this water going to Davao River, magiging catch basin siya. These are mga projects namin. Okay, what are the significant milestones we have achieved? So far, yung aming first graduate is now running for councilor sa ating city, no? Si Rudy Mande. In fact, sa inyong district na siya, no? Si Rodolfo Mande was our first Matingsalog graduate, no? Now he became yung ating indigenous peoples mandatory representative sa Davao the last 3 years. Na through his efforts nagkaroon siya ng city ordinance, was able to file city ordinance that would allow yung mga indigenous people na magkaroon ng college scholarships sa lahat ng university sa Davao. So far, I think at the moment meron siyang mga 500 students na ngayon under that program, scholar para sa tribo. Then we have mga graduates din sa community development sa USEP, si Ate Am saka si Pressing is now full-time with Kalayag. And si Ate Am is also studying to become a lawyer. Yung mga teachers na rin kami, yung mga graduates na rin kami sa mga technical schools, mga TESDA accredited courses, certificates. And mga 2 years ago, before COVID, 3 years ago, before COVID, na nagkaroon kami ng mga graduates sa welding. 85 graduates. Before COVID pa lang. As I've said, yung philosophy namin, properly trained, given the education, the tools, and the discipline, the locals themselves are the most effective in addressing yung poverty issues ng kanilang community. Ibig sabihin na yung mga local mismo, yung taga dito mismo, ang kailangan address ng kanilang mga kahirapan dun sa ilang area with this mga graduate na namin, which is happening now, no? Hindi na ako ang gumagawa noon, kundi sila na, yung mga graduates namin, sila na ang gumagawa ng mga different, they now head yung mga different projects namin sa remote villages of Marilog. I think that's yung aming milestone. And at the moment, meron kaming ginagawa mga programs ngayon at document namin through another organization, mga best practices na ginagawa namin sa Bukid. We're documenting that, and we will hope to duplicate this sa mga iba-ibang mga tribo. No? Planning na hindi lang sa Marilog, kundi sa mga iba-ibang tribo sa Mindanao. We have this project na currently being documented. Okay? And yes, I think that's how we are evolving now. Kami noon nagsimula, tigulang naman kami. So, the next generation is doing it. Itong mga dating mga bata who had finished college, sila na magpadayon nila. Sabi pa namin, asad among atop, katong inyong salog, no? What is our roof would be their floor. So, yun ang it's how we evolve, no? From being missionaries, now sila naman ang kapwan. I think that's yan ang aming magiging future. They themselves are no longer the mission field but a mission force. No? Hindi na sila tabangunon, but sila mananabang na.